Okay, the serial number tag has already been pulled off by a user, or just fell off. We got to get another one on there. So the complaint is low runtime, and I asked the staff if they can have the machine charged overnight. Evidently that didn't get out, but I'm looking for dead cells anyways. Another thing I'm checking for is charger operation. But right now, I asked them to maintain the terminals, and at least the water level is actually lower. I'm sorry, this electrolyte level. It's lower, but it may be too low. So, but I had serviced these terminals. We do have some battery acid going over the top. But with that said, I need to check the charger to make sure it's operational. Okay, the machine shuts off. So I'm waiting for it to kick on. So there should be a fan that kicks on, and evidently it's not. So that could be one of the issues. I got to see if the voltage could be ramping up, but right now the first sign of problem right now is the fan. Right now I connected the multimeter to the battery pack. Corrosion and corrosion. I'm holding at 36.45. Now, looking at the charger, it's showing 30% charged, no fan kicks on. So what I'm going to do is clean up the terminals, do a hydrometer test, but right now we'll have to come back and retry this once we clean up all these terminals and see, because right now I'm reading about 6 volts per battery. So with this hydrometer, I checked all the cells, and the average is about 1.125 or less. So I believe the charger's not going to kick on, even though there's 36 volts. I don't know if the charger would actually try and attempt it, but at 36 volts, the voltage is there, but there's no current in the batteries. These batteries cannot be recovered at this point in time, and here's the date code, I-21. But a little history with the batteries is there's been constant acid and overfilling, and actually filling before the charge cycle, which is not suggested, because what that does is raises the electrolyte level, and it seeps through the caps. Right here are the vent holes, and lots of acid had been discovered on the battery tops here. So we're gonna have to recommend replacement of the batteries. As far as warranty is concerned, it's gonna be a hard call on that. And so we're gonna move on this repair with the quote.